So let's just quickly list out the magic, aka the technology of the ancients that's in myth and religion, just for fun. Okay? So we've got energy and other ones like the Ark of the Covenant. We've got matter transformation like the cornucopia or even water to wine. We've got rod and staff technology, the Jed pillar, the Waz scepter, Moses' rod, Aaron's rod. We've got longevity in the key of life, the flower of life, the tree of life, and many other myths and legends. There's portals and gateways. In fact, in Egypt, they are everywhere. They make these false doors as a portal or gateway for the gods to come and go. There's advanced communication systems in myths, for example, communicating with the gods through statues or in dreams. There's the control of water. Now, this is a really interesting one because both Egypt and the Bible have an almost exact representation, or example, should I say, of water being parted by the use of a rod. And it's described in different context, but the actual what happened, the way the water was parted, is identical. So that's very interesting. Then we have examples of protective forces, protective amulets, cursed tombs, fiery swords. And of course, a big one is divine knowledge, like the wisdom of Thoth, the wisdom of Solomon, or the Hall of Records. Another interesting one is architectural energy, the energy of pyramids, of obelisks. And for another example, a very good one in my opinion, is the Osirians' piezoelectric energy. There are construction myths as well, myths about levitation, myths about Solomon's temple being constructed using a demon's tool, which is intriguing in itself. There's also transportational technology. There's things like wings on gods. There's Ra's solar bark that flies. There's Elijah's ascension in the Bible. There's the flying machine. Now, this is so cool. A flying machine of Solomon, which is described in the Kebra Nagast. And that's how Solomon's son escaped with the Ark of the Covenant. What a great story that is. If you get the chance to read the Kebra Nagast, just do it because it's full of this sort of thing. It's fascinating. Anyway,